starting the test drive in this Silverado, pretty loud. The exhaust is awesome. I don't even know if you can hear me talking over that drone, but it sounds incredible. Now it's just a tad loud in the interior. That might have something to do with these 22s on here, where basically they're in the wheel well because they're so big. But the truck looks great, it sounds great, it feels great. I will say the steering column needs a little bit of grease, because when you do hard turns in that, you can kind of hear it creaking. But other than that, I mean, the thing's just driving normally. Very impressed overall by this truck. And one of the things about these is the Silverados just ride so well. They have for decades. And even with these 22-inch wheels, this ride is pretty good. Now, when you hit bumps, you can feel them, and it doesn't necessarily float down the road like one with the standard 17, 18-inch wheels, but I mean, still, just a super impressive ride here. Now, when you change lanes in this thing where it's so big, or the wheels are so big, you almost can't feel the road. So it's kind of weird there. We're gonna give it a good pull. I'm not gonna put my foot to the floor here because this has no traction control, and I just don't necessarily trust this truck 100% with these wheels on here. But we're definitely gonna see if it'll growl for us, or roar, if you will. Yeah, it's quick, it is. But I think this is a really fun truck. If you're in the market for something that's just fun to drive, loud, cool, this is definitely the one for you. And I think it's been tastefully modified, just having the tint, the exhaust, the intake, and the wheels. But a pretty fun truck again. I like everything about it. Again, the 22s are almost numb in terms of being able to feel the steering, or feel the road, if you will. And it's weird, but you'll get used to it. But that's just how it is when you have a truck that's probably supposed to have 16-inch wheels on. You put 22s and thick rubber on there, that's what'll happen. But again, super fun, and just the right amount of sound from the engine and the exhaust. So with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2004 Chevy Silverado 1500.